Now, Jamaica continues to blaze a trail in the area of sport. The nation's emerging ice hockey team could have its own rink in a few years, something even the nation's historic bobsled team was not able to get locally.
The Jamaica Olympic Ice Hockey Federation is on the cusp of history. Ground is set to be broken sometime in early 2018 for an ice hockey rink to be built in Western Jamaica. Scout and member of the local Ice Hockey Federation, Donovan Tate, reveals it's an international standard requirement and meetings have been conducted with the necessary stakeholders.
We've been on the island for the better part of a week, meeting with government agencies and entities, having discussions on how we make that happen, and they went very well.
Meanwhile, Jason Swales, CEO of Tropical Ice Ventures, the rink builders, admits his company wants to help expand the sports of ice hockey, and Jamaica was a natural fit, having a hockey federation and a team in Canada.
We build ice rinks all over North America and all over the world, and we've done plenty of ice arenas in Miami and Tampa Bay and similar climates to this. So we want to bring ice hockey to Jamaica and have it as a tourist attraction, but yet benefit the Jamaican people.
In the meantime, the Minister of Sports, Olivia Granger, says there will be training sessions in Jamaica in the spring with top Jamaican hockey coach Graham Townshend, the first black player in the NHL.
Talking about 32 youngsters between the ages of 12 and 14, or maybe I think they may even start younger, and just teach them the basics. They'll have an opportunity to go and experience ice hockey in Canada.
The minister also reveals that plans are afoot to get an official training facility for the bobsled teams.
So we always have to be one step ahead of everybody else. So we're going to have a genuine bobsled run, or whatever they call it, a runoff, a bobsled runoff, so that we can be that location.
Jamaica's ice hockey team created history this past summer, defeating a Canadian team. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.